How to set up QuickBooks online account. 2 quick methods. Method 1, for trial version. Step 1, visit and click on Try it free for 30 days option. Step 2, in the Create an Intuit account pop-up, enter your email address, mobile number, and password. Step 3, confirm your email address and password and click Sign up with email. Step 4, on the Skip the Trial and Save Today prompt, click on Continue with Trial. Step 5, enter your business name, select your business type and click Next. Step 6, select all options on the What would you like to do in QuickBooks window and click on Next. Step 7, select your role at your business. Step 8, select an option on the Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper right now window and click on All Set. Method 2, for paid version. Step 1, visit and click on Buy Now button. Step 2, select a plan and click on Buy Now to proceed. Step 3, in the Create an Intuit account screen, enter your email address and mobile number. Step 4, create a password, click one more step and you will be directed to the payment screen. Step 5, select your payment method on the payment screen and enter your payment details. Step 6, enter your billing address and zip code in the billing address window. Step 7, start the setup process and click on Next. Step 8, enter your business name, select your business type and click Next. Step 9, on How have you been managing your finances window, select a method and click on Next. Step 10, on the Next window, select the number of years from the drop-down and click Next. Step 11, on What kind of business is this window, select an option and click on Next. Step 12, enter the industry of your business in the What's your industry window and click on Next. Step 13, select your role at your business and click on Next. Step 14, select an option on Who else works at your business window. Step 15, select an option on the Does a bookkeeper help with your books window and click on Next. Step 16, select any app you use for your business or click Skip for now. Step 17, select your option /S on the What would you like to do in QuickBooks window and click on Next. Step 18, on the Link Your Accounts window, click on Link Accounts or skip and do this later. Step 19, select an option on How do you track your receipts today window and click on Next. Step 20, if you get paid with invoices, click on Set up invoices. Step 21, on the See your payments anywhere window, click Next. Step 22, follow the remaining steps and set up QuickBooks Online. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44800 0548 150.